2014 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.